Welcome to a journey through the metric system, the global standard of measurement that shapes our world. Born out of the Enlightenment's push for rationality, the metric system emerged in France as a revolutionary idea, aiming to unify and simplify measurements for all. The metric system's history is fascinating. Before its inception, measurement was chaotic, with over 250,000 different units in France alone. Imagine buying flour or land with such confusion. The French Revolution's ideals of equality and universality paved the way for the metric system, making measurements uniform across the globe. At its core, the metric system is elegantly simple, designed around units like the meter for length, the gram for weight, and the liter for volume. Each unit is based on nature's constants, like the meter, initially defined by the Earth's circumference. Today, it's defined by the speed of light, a universal constant, ensuring its accuracy for generations. Did you know the word meter comes from the Greek word metron, meaning measure, or that the kilogram is the only base unit still defined by a physical object, known as the Big K, a cylinder of platinum iridium alloy stored in France? The metric system simplifies daily life, from cooking with liters and grams to measuring distance in kilometers. In commerce, it streamlines trade, enabling businesses to easily operate and compete globally. In science, the metric system is indispensable, providing a common language that fuels innovation and discovery. It's also crucial in education, equipping students worldwide with the knowledge to succeed in a globalized world. While most of the world uses the metric system, a few countries cling to the imperial system, creating interesting challenges and discussions around measurement. But the trend is clear. The world is moving towards metrication, embracing its precision and universality. The future of the metric system is bright, as it continues to evolve with advances in science and technology. It not only measures our world, but also connects us, transcending borders and cultures. Join us in celebrating the metric system, a testament to human ingenuity and our shared desire for a more understandable world. Together, we measure, we learn, and we grow.